how you can charge Xiaomi G20 Lite. Very simple. Make sure you have the charger, plug it in into electricity, and now grab your vacuum cleaner, and at the top you can see the charging point, which is here. So make sure to grab the cable and plug it in into your vacuum cleaner, and now it's charging. As you can see, my battery is low, so now it's charging the first stage of the battery, and if it's full it will show you 3 full bars. So now it's blinking and charging. I think it should be charging over 1 hour to fully charge, and once you are done you can just plug it out and you are finished, and you can use your vacuum cleaner in next cleaning session. So it was that simple. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.